So today you join me at the Lamborghini Newport Beach toy drive. Yes, today there is an entire lineup of the most ridiculous, insane supercars you've ever seen. Everyone's coming together to collect some toys. And look who's that? Who's that? What's up, guys? The car lineup here is absolutely insane. It is like nothing I have ever seen before. It is Hypercars City. We've got Koenigseggs, we've got Josh over here. What the fuck, dude? Dude. I think we're gonna have to blur that out. we're gonna pixelate that on YouTube. But dude, they have Koenigseggs and Paganis. I'm gonna show you guys some awesome B-roll. Enough of my talking. Let's get to the cars in 3, 2, 1. So behind us we have a pretty special McLaren, and to tell you more about it, Alex is going to fill us in.
I don't know too much about McLaren because I can't afford one yet, but I know it's MSO, McLaren Special Operations, and if you've got deep enough pockets, you can do whatever you want.
What he's saying is McLaren factory carbon. This isn't a 1016 job. This is how it came from the factory, and look at it. Absolutely freaking incredible. Chameleon color shift.
And chameleon wheels.
And chameleon wheels. Guys.
Does it get better than that?
No. He's right.
Okay, quick question. This, or are you taking a P1? Comment down below. The 765 color shift full carbon, or the P1.
The event is officially over. The turnout today was insane, but as you can see, the cars are starting to leave. So right now we're gonna head to South Coast Plaza to the Ghost Squadron event. Josh, what cars are we gonna see there? Good answer. Good answer. Catch up with you guys there. Guys, so we made it to South Coast Plaza at the Ancillary Studios, and this place is insane. You guys don't know this, but I am a big bike guy. Like these sort of things right here absolutely do it for me. And we've got MV boosters, we've got Ducatis right here. Like the bikes are absolutely insane. Ducati V2s, V4Ss, crazy Indians. Look at this, Kawasaki H2. Not the H2R, but it is the H2, so this bike is still insane with all of the exposed carbon fiber. Look at all this carbon fiber, guys. Now, fun little thing you guys might not know about high-performance bikes like this Ducati right here is they actually have a dry clutch to the point where you can actually see the clutch pack right here. How insane is that? So when it comes to clutch service, you're gonna burn them out a lot. So it's really easy to do on a bike like this because it's right there. It's exposed, you can see it. This is the Ferrari of the bike world, guys, right here. Speaking of Ferrari, we actually have a Ferrari right here. Classic 308 GTB, right next to Josh's Lamborghini. My God, there's a freaking Koenigsegg CCXR. This is my all-time favorite Koenigsegg right here. Look at that little Ghost Squadron logo. The car is freaking beautiful. All exposed carbon fiber, red interior. Yes, please. This thing is gorgeous. Race car, race bike. This bike right here is Valentino Rossi's race bike. Look at this thing, guys. You got the dampeners in here. Race bike. Not to mention Porsche 911 GT3 race car. So out of all the cars you guys have seen here today, at this event and the last event, which one has been your favorite? I think I know what you're going to say.
The blue Urus.
The blue Urus. I knew it. What do you think? What was your favorite?
Or the Bugatti, because I've never seen one in real life.
The blue Urus was really cool as well. Honestly, I don't really remember. I'm not a big car person.
We're going to convert her. It's fine.
My favorite car is Josh's car.
You hear that? She's playing favorites right now.
Or the Audi. I mean,
Hey, you guys, I guess we're not selling it anymore. We're going to keep it now, right? But mine, truthfully, is that one right over there.
that's yours.
Koenigsegg CCXR. Josh, you want to go get some food?
I am hungry. My stomach touching my back.
Your stomach's touching your back?
How much is this?
Dude, this is priceless. You know why?
Why?
Valentino Rossi's last race bike. He is like the Michael Schumacher of the bike world. Dude's been racing since the 90s, and this right here is his last ever race bike. It's priceless. with that, guys, I'm probably going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.